Today we will learn LCD display on system. So let's go to the Chrome and search for Tinkercad. Open this first link. Now we have to create our circuits. So in our project, first we need some components. Project first is Arduino. Second, we need one LCD for the display of our LCD. Will take this 16 into 2 12C. Okay, this LCD have 4 terminals. First is ground, second is power, third is SDN and SCL. Now this LCD, which is called as liquid crystal display, is an output device used to display the text, numbers or symbols generated by microcontroller. And it is a 16 into 2 LCD, means that 16 characters per line into 2 lines, right? Now, why do we use LCD in Arduino projects? Without LCD, Arduino can only show the output using the LEDs or the serial monitor. With LCD, the human readable output are there. So LCD is used to display the real-time information generated by Arduino in a readable form. First, this Arduino Uno is used in this. Second is LCD. Now we'll connect this ground button to the ground pin of the Arduino. We can change the color of this wire to black and make this wire align like this. Now VCC, now this power to the 5 volt will change the color to the red. Now this SDA will connected to the Arduino 4. Like this. Color change to orange. Now take the yellow color for the second another wire. Now this wire will connect it to the A5. Now this is all about the connections of the circuit. Now we'll go to the code part. Firstly, simply drag this and put it this. It automatically goes on. First, we need how tells the Arduino which LCD type is used. How it will takes. First, we'll take the. First, I will code here and then I'll explain this. Configure the LCD first. Second is set the positions of the LCD like this. Now we have to print some words or some sentences on the LCD. Now again we'll set the position for the second line and we'll print some another sentence or words. Okay, now in this first is hello world will print. We can change here, like we can say that hi. We'll say that good morning, right? These two message will print on this LCD. We'll start the stimulation of the code. Now you can see that this will print good morning, I am robot, or good morning, right? After stop, it will stop this. So this is the set position of LCD. It tells us that, okay. So if I put here row 1, row 2, so let's see what will happen. You can change as per your, okay, row 1, row 1. Okay, also we can do this 1. You can change as per your need, as per your opinion, or as per your point of view. Okay, like this. Okay, this is all about the LCD display on system. How we can display our messages on the LCD. Okay, thank you.